Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, coming to you from the Campbell's Custom Care Studio.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Now, if you buy a UTV like this one, they come off the assembly line pretty cool and pretty rugged, but they're not always as tough as you want them to be. You want them to be Texas tough. And Jared, that's where you guys at Texas Tough Customs come in. How can you take a stock vehicle like this and make it trail ready like that one?
Absolutely. Well, we build custom lifts, custom bumpers, and custom cages to do really anything you want. We tailor all of our products to each customer and their individual specifications.
Well, that's a great looking vehicle. Let's talk about some of the specific things you've done to that car.
The first thing we got up here is one of our Texas Tough Customs bumpers. This one in particular features a provision for a 9,500 pound winch on it. So we run the Warren winch up here. In Texas, we got a lot of thick mud and we need bigger winches to pull us out when we get stuck in that deep stuff. Another thing is these things come stock with small 27-inch tires or whatever, and our biggest goal was we wanted to build something that we can put bigger tires on.
And if you're trying to just put bigger tires on this, you notice it's going to hit the wheel wells right away.
Absolutely.
So you can't go much bigger than it already is.
Yeah, so we build a couple of different lift kits, and all of our lift kits push the front wheels forward and the rear wheels back so that you can put bigger tires on them.
How big can you go?
Well, this one in particular has our Texas Tough Customs 6-inch long travel kit on it, and with something like this, if you're not running portals, you can run up to about a 35-inch tire and be completely fine with it. No rub, no nothing. With this particular kit, you get extra suspension flex in both the front and the rear, and you gain 8 inches of wheelbase, and you also gain 5 inches on either side of width. So it makes the platform for this a lot more stable when you're in the rocks or off-camber situations, or even in deep mud ruts or anything like that.
With all respect to the folks that made this, it doesn't quite look right when it comes off the assembly line. It looks like the tires are too small, and that looks correct.
Absolutely.
You told me the story about this. How did you end up going with this size and discovering how big a tire you could go?
So I started with a machine that looked just like this right here, and I was like, man, we do too much mud riding. We got to have bigger tires. I wanted to run about a 32-inch tire, so I got into AutoCAD, started designing some stuff, and did some reverse engineering and whatnot, and I designed a lift. Well, I went and ordered my tires. They were 32-inch tires, and when I went to go pick them up, I was like, man, these look kind of funny. They look kind of big, and I read on the side they were 34s, and I was like, oh, man. So I go back in and ask them, hey, man, these are the wrong tires, and they were like, well, you paid for 32s and you got 34s. You know, you came out on the good side, so go ahead and take them home. And I'm like, well, all right, whatever. Went home, I did some redesigning on the lift and modified it and made it work for 34. So with our 3-inch kit, you can run up to 34s with it.
A happy accident that changed everything. Now, as we go back on the vehicle, we see the roll cage, and this is a pretty cool looking one. I like the way it sort of encompasses the whole body there. Is that something you sell stock like that?
So we do custom roll cages, custom bumpers, everything is really custom. That's kind of where we get our name, Texas Tough Customs. And what I like to do is I like to have some kind of meeting with the customer. I like to ask them to send me some pictures of other things that they like, whether it be rock crawlers or other different side-by-sides or whatever, and I'll take those pictures and I'll do drawings in AutoCAD on their particular side-by-side, give them a couple different options, and whatever they like and pick, then I start cutting it and fabbing it and build it for them, and they get to take it home and enjoy it.
Well, let's talk about the construction too, because a lot of these are safety items. You need a stronger winch, you want a wider stance. Now, you talked about the lift kit on this one. What lift kits do you offer? Yeah,
well, so we offer 3 other options for arms. We do both a 0-inch lift, which is just front arms only, pushes the front tires forward 3.5 inches. We offer a 3-inch kit, which pushes the front tires forward 3.5 inches, pushes the rear tires back 2.5 inches, allows for up to a 32-inch tire, gives a 3-inch lift. And then we offer our 6-inch long travel kit, which pushes the front wheels forward 4.5 inches, rear wheels back 3.5 inches, gives you 5 inches on either side width. And you gain an overall 8 inches of wheelbase on that one.
You know, all safety related. So talk about the construction of what you.
Yeah, so all of our lift kits, both our 0-inch, our 3-inch, and our 6-inch standard, they come in 1 1/4, 120 wall tubing. But for some of the bigger guys that run the big lifts and the big tires, we build some with 44s, 47s on them. And for those guys, they need a little bit stronger tubing on them. So we offer a lower set of arms out of 1.5 inch quarter wall, which is our extreme HD arms. So depending on what the customer is doing and what they're requiring, that's what we'll do. And we'll customize really whatever the customer needs.
How does tubing like that compare to what I can get on a stock vehicle like this?
Absolutely. The stock material is super thin, super small, and it just doesn't even compare. It's just night and day difference. Our lifts are built for abuse, and they're ready to go.
Well, the name says it all. They are Texas Tough, And where can they find you on the web?
Our website is www.texastoughcustoms.com.
All right, you can check them out on the web during the break because we will be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com right after this. Keep it right here.